Hello, in this clip, I'm going to introduce WPS and PQR Making Steps. So if you're interested in creating WPS or if you need to create the WPS for your project, and if you have any questions, here are the contact information of mine, email, phone number, and other SNS IDs. So you can contact me. And first one, I'm going to introduce about the WPS is the joint design. And here you can see the butt joint and fillet joint and the groove weld joint. Here you can see the actual joint designs. For plate, you can do the bevel. This is single V bevel. And another single V without gap. This is X groove, K groove. Before you make the joint design, you need to prepare the base material like this. This is the whole plate material, base material. This is, as you can see, this is a SA 516. Grade 70 from ASME, and from this base material, cut the base material to the weld coupon size like this, and do the bevel, single V, double V, and whatever you want to make the WPS design. And then you prepare the filler material like this. Here you can see SMAW, the stick electrode, and this is TIG electrode. This is TIG is GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. And here, down here, you can see FCAW wire. The FCAW is called the CO2 welding or flux cord arc welding. And here, this is welding position for plate. This is 1G and 2G horizontal, and 3G vertical, and 4G overhead. Some pipe position like this. This is UG, 6G. And other fillet and pipe positions. And I'm going to introduce the preheat because preheat is really important for ferritic steels. Here for torch heating for PQ test. So this is this base material. Test them together with small gaps, like 1 or 2 millimeters, and then the surface of the metal you apply the direct heat. This is one of the methods of the preheat. You can see this is a kind of blue, but you can see the temperature. This is degrees Celsius, 186.8. So pretty high the temperature for the preheat, since this is the low alloy material. So as I said, preheat is really important for ferritic materials, including carbon steels. And these pictures are preheating for the sphere tank fabrication. And then after preheating, you do welding, actual welding, and then depends on the thickness or surface, you do PWHT. And here are some pictures of the PWHT. In the furnace, you put the weld coupon inside and install the thermocouples, and then do the PWHT with PWHT temperature recorder and chart recorder, like here. This is the temperature range, about 600 something. And this is holding time. You can see the kinds of heat treatment. Once you do the welding and finish the welding, you can do testing. Testing like this. Now the angle is gone, or it's just the angle. You can see the beautiful beads of the some of the word. This is SMAW, looks like SMAW or SAW. This is TIG welding, GTAW, very beautiful weld bead, and another weaving bead of the GTAW. And after welding, you can do, you need to do the tensile test. 2 sets of the tensile test using tensile machine, like this, with this kind of specimen. And you can see the tensile graph, stress and strain graph, and figure out the ultimate tensile strengths and yield strengths. And then you do, after tensile strengths, you do the bend test like this: face bend test and side bend test and root bend test. 4 sets, depends on the thickness. Like here, you can see the result of the bend test. These are good, but these, as you can see, without any support, you can see your vivid eyes. Here are some open areas. These are reject. So basically, for WPS and PQR, you need to do only the tensile test and bend test according to some kind of codes like ASME, Section 9, or ISO or code, or DIN code, ZIS code, or the simple WPS PQR needs only tensile test and bend test. Once you finish the mechanical test, destructive test, you can create WPS and PQR like this. WPS stands for Welding Procedure Specification, like here, WPS. And this format is according to ASME Section 9. So you can see joint design, base material, filler material, position, preheat, PWHT, gas, and electrical characteristic, technique, and other variables. So this was the introduction of the WPS and PQR making steps. So if you are interested in this kind of information, or you need to make the WPS, let me know using the email or phone number and other informations.